I'm gonna be your Roombas.
What's up, gamers? Today we're doing Roombas Unite. Oh yeah, my friend is also here. He's the one doing this. Say hi, Ashton.
Hi. I'm cool. Or something.
Yeah, he's cool. Yeah, he's super cool. Okay. It's Roombas Unite.
I'm giving you more Roombas, by the way.
More Roombas.
More Roombas.
Their aim is so bad though.
Oh no, bomb on a stick. Uh-oh. Hey, these guys have the bomb attack.
I could wipe out humanity.
Yeah. The bomb attacks could wipe out all those units. Bro, there's so many right here and like right here. Also, the golems are kind of carrying too. They're just killing over there. They can only use their Roombas, which makes this actually kind of difficult. I'm not. Did you get? Am I lagging?
No.
Yeah. Did you gain one Roomba?
Yeah.
Well, I pressed that button like maybe like 1,000 times, by the way. Oh, okay, it's starting to not be lagging anymore.
What are you doing? No, Master, don't do this. Oh. More Roombas! More. We need a tactical advantage.
We do.
Can you give me an uppercut real quick for movement?
I bet.
Yeah, it's only for movement. It's only for movement.
Yeah, only for movement.
Oh, you can.
And also, oh my gosh, we have snipers on the roof.
We have snipers on the roof. Go get them, big boys! Okay, we need more snipers. We need more snipers.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wait, how about this? Okay, we can only use summons, okay?
Yeah, but
So-
uppercut is for movement.
Also, look, did you get a dummy somewhere? Oh yeah, the dummy. Oh,
Oh, I got it.
so go ahead. These won't do much, okay? These are only for defense, okay?
Yeah. So like they won't.
So I should just put it down. No different dummies.
Roombas, get them! Go get them, big boys! Oh, right, the golems.
Yeah, the golems are in the yeah.
Yeah, the Roombas. Get them, Roombas! Yeah, Roombas!
This is like kind of just like Black Knight.
What is this combat dummy?
Okay, now listen. This is only if there's like the dummies that you summon in
Oh my dear, evil.
I'll be summoned. Yeah, but there's literally one over there. And I'm just gonna do it.
What is that one doing? It's jumping.
I know, bro. I've seen like a lot. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I think our Roombas are.
Oh, you can.
I think our game is going too slow. You know what that means? More Roombas. More Roombas.
More Roomba.
More Roombas. More Roombas.
Oh, you can.
I can't really like anymore. Oh, never mind.
Oh, just give me a Doom chainsaw. Thank you.
I know. I also got that. It was for the funnies. So then we can I was about to use it on a.
Oh, you can.
I thought that was you. I was about to use it on a actual dumb.
Dude, what weapon is that?
Dude, the Roombas aren't even attacking them at this point.
They just. Most of them are just stuck on the curb. Look. Most of them are just stuck on the curb. Come look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. They're stuck on the curb trying to do something. Wait, they're like waiting for like enemies.
Yeah, bro, they're like hiding. They're hiding. Trust.
Yeah, they're hiding so they can get
Like,
attacked.
wait, dude, they're actually like hiding, bro. You can like see the Glock sticking out.
Yeah. Get on, Roombas! Go!
I like see that a bunch of Roombas just coming out of this one circle.
Wait, can we kill some of the dummies so it goes by faster?
Actually. Did you summon a lot of dummies?
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm summoning, dude, do you think this is enough, like, Roombas?
No, it's not enough.
Not enough? Okay, I'm gonna give you more Roombas.
We need to place them on the streets.
Yeah, none of them can, okay, this is, like, starting to actually, like, lag out my game. I mean, this is the lagging
Oh,
out my game.
I think it's actually lagging out our game.
No, it's not lagging. We can still see each other move. It's just the Roombas that are moving when they stand.
I have 250 ping. What about you? It's a bomber. It's a bomber. Get rid of him. Aw. The bomber sucks. Okay. We need to place him on the streets for a tactical advantage.
I'm not getting any Roombas right now.
Me. Okay, the tactical adventure just. Bro, if they try to get past us, you know what will happen?
What?
Roomba. Just place them all around the streets.
Bro, this is actually like Roombas versus. No, this is actually just Roombas versus Uncertified. Don't check like your actual like inventory.
Oh,
Do you think that's enough Roombas?
Yeah, that's enough. Okay, I placed some down. I'm placing more down.
I got sunshine. Dude, oh my gosh, it's so laggy to the point where whenever I use a Roomba, it like leaves a space.
What?
Like you know how like every like place in your inventory like has a designated spot.
Yeah.
Now whenever I use it, it just completely disappears. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you.
Look how many Roombas I placed down.
Look. You feel like there's just that open space there? What happened for some reason? I don't know.
What did that happen to you?
I don't know.
That's 1 in a billion chance. Okay, are you placing them down in the street?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm working on it.
I
Working hard! Master got me
I just
working!
realized that we're actually like, getting through waves, but we aren't even actually doing any damage. It's all going to the windows.
Yeah. I have 300 ping. What about you? Oh, 400.
I don't know how to check my ping.
Oh, sad.
How do you check your ping?
Oh, press settings, scroll down, until you see like micro pro filter, camera inverted,
Oh, I see. Okay.
And then performance stats. What do you
Wait.
think the uncertified is going through their heads right now?
I have no clue.
Is it just like kill statue, then make master proud?
My ping is 200.
How's yours 200? I have mine at full graphics, by the way.
Oh, let me turn mine to red.
Get 'em, Roombas! Yeah!
I don't know. Now mine is at.
Yeah!
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
we're
going
getting
down.
them! We're getting them! Slowly but surely, we're getting them.
Yeah, slowly, very slowly.
I need more Roombas.
I think we might need more Roombas.
We do need more Roombas.
All you can.
Can I send this to the okay, let me see.
All you can.
I swear to God, it's like some pornography.
Wait, what? What are you talking about over there, bro? Look at this, bro. Look at this.
What?
How? You see it, like right here?
What? What?
No!
God!
There's so many stuck on the curve right here. Like, actually a lot. See, I'm the one.
That was a big chunk. That was a big chunk. Roombas, get them! I need more Roombas. I need more
There's
Roombas.
one guy that is killing all the Roombas right here.
Right here is the guy that's killing the Roomba. This guy right here deserves an honor for medal right here. You see his little gun right there? It's a show of he's so stubborn. Let me just
All you can.
Hold up, let me just
do an uppercut. Do an uppercut. Okay, on to the boss now.
Wait, I'll shoot the boss.
Wait, is there no boss? Is there a
wonder
boss?
why-
There's no boss. It's the mages. It's the mages. Give me more Roombas. We need more Roombas.
Mind you, I've pressed the button like 700 times, I swear.
Oh God, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Well,
Oh, it's coming in. It's coming in. Oh my God. Wait, my game. It's free. Oh, wait. I don't. Oh my God. It's all going through. Stop.
my bad, I can't stop it now. Like, alright, okay. Is this enough Roombas, bro? I wonder if this is enough Roombas. Like we said it was enough.
Get 'em, Roombas. Slowly but surely.
Yeah, bro. Slowly but surely we will get this.
Okay, that's another row done. Just one more row to go, I think. Can you give me stat editor so I can go faster? And
Okay, so I like kind of like summoned like a bunch of Roombas. There's like so many just in this one little spot here.
I'm just spreading them all out.
My ping is only 200 right now.
My ping is 300. Let me turn it down to 1 graphics.
I'm gonna turn it down. I'm gonna turn mine down to.
We need
Oh, yeah,
more
mine-
Roombas.
Producing way faster. Okay.
We need more
Mine-
Roombas. We simply need more. Need
Turn it
more
down to
Roombas.
100. Quality and spam.
We need more Roombas. I'm sorry, we just need more Roombas.
Look how fast the bombers go, bro.
Oh my god!
They're literally waddling.
They're waddling to victory. We should, dude. You're gonna explode. You're gonna explode.
They're chill.
How are they chill? Bro, as soon as I come down there, I'll get exploded. No joke. No joke.
Yeah.
Oh my god, they're retarded.
Wait, both of us have the same exact amount of Roombas? But your Roombas are spread out, bro. Mine are all at this spot, bro.
Some of yours, and some of them are mine. Cause those curb people are mine, like not over here. Oh my god, my PC. But like over here is just like the curb game. It's like waiting. They're waiting. They're waiting for victory. Okay, can we just instant kill them so this goes by faster and we go to the boss?
Alright, man.
Yeah, let's go to the boss. We need to go to the boss.
I don't even know where that is. I don't really want to do this anywhere, bro. Like,
My PC is still fine.
my PC's supposed to be making noise.
Is my PC supposed to explode?
My PC's supposed to say self-destruct.
No.
It's not. I think I might want to leave this game now.
We should do this with only golems next time.
Yeah, that would lag out my PC like an insane amount, like to the point where it's like.
No, why'd you leave?
I'm not gonna get my video back.
Okay, well, I'll see it for myself.
You need to be more.
The boss, please, just show me the boss already. Yes, yes, show me the boss. Show me the boss.
Imagine bro accidentally insta kills the boss.
Is this supposed to take this long? Okay, vampire! Oh wait, no, the winged angel. Why is oh my god. have 1,000 ping. Okay,
What
boys.
did you do?
Oh, nothing. Get 'em, boys!
Demons in that server?
Get 'em!
Oh my god, what did you do?
Get 'em, boys! Get 'em! Faster! Oh my god, this game is saying I'm done! Oh my god. What's my friend play? That was what? Oh, no. How is that come lads? Yes, holla come lads. Are you on blue or red?
Oh, I'm on blue. Got the same layout. Pain plus head bomb. Bro, there's this guy just camping and sniping.
I got Islander.
Yeah, bro. BRAN, the guy with the most kills, bro, he's just camping up a hill and sniping people. Dude, wait, hitbox plus Dimma Dagger inside of a public server? Hold on.
There can only be one, mate!
Oh yeah, little bro? Okay, it's taking damage. Oh, I was close, bro.
Yeah, that was actually super close. That's kind of unfair, actually. Hey, who hit me? Who hit me? He did not hit me. Dude, my teammates. My teammates. I'm not gonna... Please.
Come on, dude. I'm using Snap, but it's not working.
I literally got second place in my first life.
I need to pray. I need to absolutely pray that this works. Death Note.
Teammates, please do this. My teammates.
Teammates, please do this, but like destroy his teammates. So like have his teammates not do that. Dude, it's literally just a tie.
Yeah, like how is that fair?
Blows us with now.
Just get them. Just get them. It's not that hard, mate. Just get them. Just get them. Teammates, what are you doing? My teammates
I'm
are
pretty sure
not.
he is still like damage from that because like I'm still lagging.
No! What the hell?
Did we win?
Yes, you did. My teammates suck. Like, dude, I got second place in my first life. This guy sucks that he has a Mario.
All Brandon was doing was camping.
He was?
Yeah, he was camping on top of it.
Brand has a Mori boy. This guy should actually go touch some grass. Oh my god. Just go, Brand, just go touch some grass, buddy. Just go touch.
Playing the game where he's camping on top of it and with a sniper.
Bro, you know what I think of that? You know what I think of that?
like, I should touch some grass for getting Gangnam Style, but oh boy. And Gakuin. Real. Oh my gosh, real. That was him. That was literally him.
What is 10 bursts?
Fran has actually the most ugliest avatar I've ever seen, bro. No. Oh my god.
I have no arms. I have no arms. I'm sorry. I just have no arms.
He has a knockoff. He has a pink staff and a knockoff. And
Sorry, chat. I just have no arms.
You have no arms?
Yeah, I actually do.
Oh, I ate your arms. My bad. I thought they were tasty.
My arms.
Dude, took my identity. That's mean. Not end from murder.
I love your identity.
Nuh-uh.
This guy! He got. How did he get bad nuke shot? Bird up? No. No birding up in my watch.
Real, bro. No birding up.
No.
If you bird up, I will die. That's how it works. I actually love this. It's one of my favorite items in the whole game. This hook kick is funny.
He's just gonna spam.
So mad because of hook kick, bro.
Forget everyone.
Wait, hold on.
I'm going to take your sulfur. Dude, Brand, it's so hard!
Oh, hold up, real life?
I just whirled someone.
The knife person that's before. And the guy with a lot of mics. I got Roomba. I gotta go.
Of course, he just has to team. What? He's not hitting me. He's not. He's just not hitting me. He decided to choose me. No! Good javelin! No, no! Oh, man, it's so hard. Just moved. Jump. The power of God and anime. Oh, Queen. No. No! Call of Duty? You're gonna be Call of Duty! I just killed myself? How long? Just coming out of my micropy! No, he's buried it! Oh, what is that? My God. I'm gonna end it right here, guys. Oh. Bye-bye now.